Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We are down in Wildwood in November. Look at this. Nothing. And Douglas Fudge is open. We are actually staying at a friend's house in Cape May with our friends for the weekend. And we came over to Douglas Fudge because we heard it was open. Only on Saturday and Sundays until January. But look at this. It's very windy down here today. You can hear the wind. It's just an eerie feeling. You think of all the people that come down here in the summer. And we're going to be over in Cape May tonight. We'll show you some Christmas lights. But it's around almost, I think, 10 o'clock in the morning. There's Maury's Piers, closed for the season. People are walking here. Hear the wind. I'm going to get out of the wind here around the wall. Can hear it. But and here's Maury's Piers. Just think we were just here in October and now it's all closed. All the rides, look at this. We'll be back though this coming summer. All the rides are down. Quietness of the winter. They take everything down. And they're redoing the boardwalk. You've probably seen on Wildwood Archives. I'm going to give him a little pitch here. Wildwood Archives, Joey, showing the boardwalk being done. It's blocked off down there. They're ripping the boardwalk up to look like this. There's Dorothy and our friends walking. We're going to head back to the car. But like I said, we're going to come out tonight and see some of the Christmas lights in Cape May. Something about just walking here. I love it that everything's closed, but you know it's all going to come back in the summer of 2025. You got some people walking here. There's a seagull we're trying to find. Plush seagull. They're having a Christmas seagull. It's on sale next week, but we're trying to get it now. People taking pictures. Gotta get back to the car. It is a little cold. My hands are cold. So we're in Washington Mall. We came over to Cape May to Washington Mall. You can see we come here in the summer, you know, and it's pretty crowded, but today's a pretty crowded day too. Not that many people. It's very windy still. We're like less than a week away from Thanksgiving. I just love days like this. Cool breeze. We're just gonna spend our day outside today. Go to dinner tonight. But yeah, we're just a lot of the shops are open. The hours are different this time of year, but the shops are open. Again, the decorations are coming up for Christmas. Just love it this time of year. So we decided to come to Cape May Lighthouse. You could see through here. We're at the Cape May Lighthouse, and you've seen our videos before. We take this nature trail, so we're taking it right now to check out what's going on. But again, this is November. It is windy still. You can see it, and the lighthouse is peeking through there. You see the lighthouse. So we're just going to take a little bit of a walk here. I love this nature trail. We don't really come down here in November, but this is a great bird watch sanctuary. A lot of people come and do the bird watching. We're going to walk through this nature trail here. You could just hear the wind through the trees. These nature trails, there's a lot here. There's different markers you can go on the walks, and we're coming out to the lake area. It actually was dried up a while back because of the drought that we had, but we have just recently had some rain. So we're going to check out to see, maybe the swans are there today too. We'll check that out. So in the summer this was all dry. This is actually, the water has come back. There's the lighthouse right there, and no swans. Do you see any swans? In the summer this is so nice, but it's nice here in the fall too, and really cool. So we came in another lookout here. Still windy, and there's some herons right there, all the way over there. Those white things are herons. Wow, wow, listen to this wind. So we just came out from the trail, and if you remember our videos from the summer, this leads us along, there's the lighthouse, leads us along these little lake areas, and right above, on this side, as you know, the ocean's on the other side here, and the bunker, the World War II bunker, which is really cool to walk out to see. The water is very low. We've been in a drought for a while. It's still very windy, but we're walking back now to the parking lot area. So we deviated off of the trail just to come up this dune here, and this is the World War II bunker. There's the ocean. It's a very windy day, and there's the lighthouse right there. But you've seen other videos where we show you the bunker. So we're coming out of the trail now, and there's the lighthouse. And we're going to go down a little bit later on to Sunset Beach. There's the lighthouse. When you come around, there's the parking lot, and we're walking down the street here to one of the bed and breakfasts, and this is where all the bed and breakfasts are on the street in Cape May, one of the streets. This is one of the main streets, but we want to show you the Santa Clauses on top of the one bed and breakfast here. Look. Up top, there's Santa Claus, and along the building here, look at all the Santa Clauses. Look at how cute. Look at how cute in the trees. He's climbing up the ladder here. Look at that.
That's so cute.
It is so cute. Look at that. We're going to walk in real quick to see it decorated for Christmas. This is it decorated for Christmas. Look at this. Wow. Look inside there. Look at that. The bar is all decorated. Look at how nice this is. And then the lobby down here. Look at how nice the lobby is. The fireplace is going right there. So that was the Virginian Hotel with the Santa Clauses. Now we're going to head back to the car, but this is the main shopping area, Washington Street or Washington Mall in Cape May, and that's lit up right now. So we're going to get to that next. So Washington Mall is all lit up, and in a few weeks it's going to be lit up even more. Well, by next weekend because of the tree lighting coming up down here in Cape May. You see all the trees are out. And right here all the trees are out now. And now we're going to come around to the park. And in a few weeks the Christmas tree will be out in Cape May. Look at how pretty it is. And by the flag here you can see it's very windy out. A lot of people taking videos, pictures. Sorry. Cold night, but beautiful lights. And it is very, very windy out. And I want to walk over here to this one hotel that's all lit up. So I think their tree goes right here. But look at this place across the street. Look at that. Look at how pretty it is this time of year. Look at how pretty that is across the street. So we're at Sunset Lake, and as you can see, we're here in the summer. It's never like this, but it is a windy day here, and the sun's going to be going down shortly, but look at the waves from the wind. And you've seen some of these videos I've posted here in the past where it was so calm, it was like a sheet of ice almost, or just a flat sheet of water in the summer. But look at from the waves, the wind with these waves. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely beautiful though. I'm trying to tough it out here, but it is cold. This wind really makes it cold. You can see a lot of people waiting. It is really, really cold out. So this is Our day down the Jersey Shore, cold day, windy, the desolate Wildwood Boardwalk, Cape May. So if it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Another day. See you tomorrow.